What's up guys, it's Rose and today I've got an OMG Matte nail polish review for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on my new videos. So let's start. So I have OMG Matte Whiteout, OMG Matte Exactly Red, OMG Colorless or Clear Polish, and a regular nail polish which is OMG Bunny, and OMG Matte Blackout. And I also have OMG Cuticle Blush. So I already cleaned my nails, so now I'm going to apply OMG Cuticle Blush. This will make the cuticle looks clean and fresh. Now I'm going to use the OMG Colorless or Clear Nail Polish as the base coat. You can also use the OMG Colorless or Clear Nail Polish as a glossy top coat. Now I'm gonna apply the first coat of OMG Matte Whiteout. And then apply the first coat of OMG Matte Exactly Red. Next is the first coat of OMG Matte Blackout. Now I'm going to apply the regular nail polish color called Bunny. After applying the first coat, let's let it dry before applying the second coat. So now I'm going to apply the second coat of Matte Whiteout. Applying the second coat of Matte Exactly Red. Now I'm going to apply the second coat of Matte Blackout. Last is the second coat of regular nail polish called bunny, which I will turn it to a matte nail polish later. Now I'm going to apply a matte top coat. And that's it, we're done. This is the finish. So which nail polish color do you like the best? Let me know in the comment down below. Thank you for watching.